She's got a really bad temper. She's got a really bad temper.
Temper can mean someone's mood or how easily they get angry. For example, she has a bad temper, so she gets angry very quickly.
So you have to break the ice with Abbas Mustan a little bit. So you have to break the ice with Abbas Mustan a little bit.
Break the ice means to do or say something to make people feel more comfortable. For example, I asked her about her favorite book to break the ice on our first meeting.
You know, I've always been very naive in life. I've always been very naive in life.
Naive means being innocent or not knowing much about the world or people's tricks. For example, a naive child might think that strangers are always friendly.
I have stage fright, so I don't enjoy the stage.
Stage fright means feeling nervous or scared when you have to speak or perform in front of an audience. For example, she had stage fright before giving her first speech in front of the whole class.
Or when a character is that verbose.
Verbose means using too many words or speaking too much. For example, the teacher's explanation was so verbose that the students got confused.
It's very repetitive and it's very monotonous.
Monotonous means something that is the same all the time and becomes boring because there is no change. For example, eating the same food daily can feel monotonous.
And it should not be skewed in the direction of women.
Skewed means not balanced or unfairly tilted in one direction. For example, the picture on the wall is skewed. It needs to be straightened.
It never looks jaded.
Jaded means feeling bored or uninterested because you have seen or experienced too much of the same thing. For example, after working non-stop for years, he felt jaded with his job.
It's very compelling.
Compelling means something that is so interesting or convincing that you cannot ignore it. For example, the movie was so compelling that I couldn't look away for a single minute.
I'm a little apprehensive.
Apprehensive means worried or nervous about something that might happen. For example, she felt apprehensive before her first day at a new school.
It'll set up some kind of precedent.
Precedent means an earlier example or decision that is used as a rule for future situations. For example, the court's decision became a precedent for similar cases in the future.
I don't have that bandwidth.
Bandwidth means the amount of time, energy, or capacity you have to handle things. For example, right now, I don't have the bandwidth to learn something new.
Is to keep an equidistance between success and failure both.
Equidistance means being at the same distance from two or more places. For example, the meeting point was chosen because it is at an equidistance from all offices.
He's a very prominent citizen.
Prominent means something or someone very important or well known. It also means something which is very easy to notice. For example, she is a prominent actress in Indian cinema. Or, the scar on his face was very prominent.
I was not sure whether I was rusty.
Rusty means not as good at something as before because you haven't practiced it for a long time. For example, after not speaking English for 2 years, I felt a bit rusty during the interview.